Creating a website with Google Sites, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone with a passion to share, having a website can open doors to countless opportunities. And with Google Sites, you can build your online presence quickly and easily without any prior coding knowledge. And this step by step guide will walk you through the process of creating a professional login website on Google Sites, from setting up your account to customizing your site's design and adding content. We've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own website up and running, ready to showcase your ideas, projects, or business to the world. So let's dive and get started on building your website with Google Sites. So, what Google Sites is for people who don't know, Google Sites offers a hassle-free website building experience, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical complexities. It's a free platform provided by Google, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or an enthusiast wanting to share your passion with the world, Google Sites empowers you to create professional looking website with ease. Then let's start our tutorial. First of all, you open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sites website by typing sites.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your username and password to sign in. As you can see, I am already signed in, and that's it. Or that's why I already have the Google Sites homepage. Here you can click on this plus icon to create a new site or add a new page here, inserting content blocks to or incorporating various features into your website. So let's click here. As you can see, we have a blank site, but to move faster, we'll quickly select a template. You can just click over here and choose a template that suits the content and correspond to your website requirements. We've here different templates, a various one, education, for example, or a small business. So we'll choose one. For example, this help center. As you can see, we've pre-designed template to start. Starting with a pre-designed template offers a range of benefits that streamline your website development process and also empower you to create a professional or visually appealing website easily. Here on the right side hand of the screen, with three functions to modify your website. We have here insert, pages, and themes. The first one, insert, allows you to add the various types of content elements to your website. This includes text boxes, images, videos, links, maps, calendar, and more. For example, let's see under this text. I would like to add a content block with this, for example, three images. The only thing you have to do is select the place you wanna put it, and then you click. As you can see, I can add images or videos and Also, um, I can add other one if I want to. Moreover, there is a variety stuff you can add it to your website. For example, we have here a divider, button, image carousel, and other things related to Google, such as YouTube, map, docs, slides, and whatever you want and need in your website to add it. The second function is pages. This function is referring to the individual sections or web pages that make up your website. Each page certain specific content or information related to a particular topic or aspect of your sites. You can create pages, editing it, organizing it. If you no longer need a page, you can just delete it. Then the third function is themes. As you can see, you can choose a lot of themes here. You can choose what you want to, and as you can see, themes is changing. Here is the name of your website, and if you wanna add a logo too, you can add it. Let's see the other option. For example, we do have ability to undo and redo, and then the important one is here. If Here is helping you to know if your website need modification or not. You can have here how it's look like with a large screen or a tablet or phone. If you finish your website and you want to make it accessible to the public on the internet, you need just to click over here, publish, and it becomes viewable by anyone with the link, or just to be more professional, you can custom a domain, and then you'll have your website ready. Then that's it for this video, guys. I hope really it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.